everybody, this is Miss Aninga. I wanted to come in and show you something that can make doing assignments on PDFs that I give you a lot easier. So the thing that I'm going to tell you to use is a Chrome extension or a app on the phone called Snap and Read. The school got licenses for everyone in our school to use Snap and Read. So what you'd want to do is go online and look for Snap and Read. So it's usually really easy. You just look for Snap and Read, either Snap and Read or Snap and Read Universal, like this. You'd come here, and then there's going to be a button, I believe, here that has you download it. And then you can do that and get that onto your Google Chrome, okay? Like I said, it's connected with your school email, so use that when you're signing up for Snap and Read, okay? Now, once you have it, it will look like this as one of your applications. It should have this symbol if you got it on your phone. But in any case, when you're at a PDF, whether it be in your Google Drive or in Google Classroom, all you have to do is go up to up to your extensions, press Snap and Read, and press Open PDF in Snap and Read. Once you do that, Snap and Read is going to take that PDF, read it, and put it here. Okay? And this is the area where you're going to be doing all of your editing. Okay? So here in Snap and Read, you have this nice button up here in the corner now with the pencil. And what that's going to do is allow you to do some annotating on this PDF. So if you click that, there it turns into an X, which will cancel out. And it brings up these other three circles. This one is for text, this one is for highlighting, and this one is for making lines to like underline stuff. So here, let's give that a try. So this one is for underlining. So if you wanted to underline, you have to do, the 9 questions, you can underline that. And then you can also like move that around later if you want to. For highlighting, you can highlight as big or small things, and if you may mess up, you can get rid of it. So you can see that I did both of those things. You can always change the color of your stuff too, on how opaque it is for highlighting. Same for your line. If you don't want it to be blue, you can change the color, as well as how thick the line is and how opaque it is. For typing, you get all your normal stuff, your font, your size, your bold, italics, all that good stuff. This one is going to be your font color. In this, I think this is for the background color of the text if you need to have it highlighted in any color when you type it. So I'm just going to choose a larger font. Or a larger font size, and what you do is you can actually type anywhere here on this document using this tool. So if I wanted to put an answer on this line, I can just do that and type in my answer. Okay. Now if you need to change anything, I would try and change it here while you're in this, box. Otherwise, you might have some trouble and you might have to start over by getting rid of the box. But that's, something small. I believe there's a way you can always change this text later. Mine is being a little finicky on me though. But yeah, you can do that anywhere on this text. You can do it on lines. You can do it here on diagrams. Answer that. You can do it on graphs. You could do it here on these lines too, just leave yourself enough space when you're typing. But yeah, you can do any typing just like that on here. Just like annotations become so easy on Snap and Read. So once you're finished annotating, you can get out and you can read back over all of your answers. And when you're finished, make sure that you go and come here to the little floppy disk looking thing up here. This is your save button. And when you press that, it will save to your Google Drive, I believe, or to your Google Classroom in the assignment. Double check that. And then you can just submit your Google assignment. Snap and Read makes these PDF assignments really super easy. So I don't know, give that a try. Go find it if you need to. But yeah, it really helps out. So I'm just showing you some other properties that Snap and Read has. You can, make it bigger, smaller, that kind of stuff. Okay. So yeah, hopefully this helps. Let me know if you have any questions for Snap and Read, and I'll help you out as best as I can. Otherwise, good luck with everything. Bye, everybody.